Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet and I run the Foodhall's cooking studio. So today I'm going to show you a very simple summer recipe using these tomatoes. We're going to make a carpaccio, which is basically thinly sliced tomatoes, and we're going to dress it with an Asian dressing. Now you could eat it like an appetizer or serve this recipe like a salad. So let's get started. We've got these beautiful yellow pear tomatoes here. We've got the plum red tomatoes and a few heirloom tomatoes. Now you don't have to buy these fancy tomatoes. You can always use your regular tomato for this recipe, the larger ones, but make sure they're bright red and plum. So we're just going to cut them as thinly as possible. Very thin slices. Now this is going to take some time. However, the beauty of the carpaccio is when you have very thin, melt in your mouth slices of tomatoes. Now summer reflects of colors and freshness, hence we've used 3 different colors of tomatoes. We're just going to layer them onto a platter. Just take a nice white neutral platter and arrange the tomatoes. Now this is much easier when you do them with the larger tomatoes because they cover the platter in about say 8 to 10 slices. Going to muddle everything together. Now we've got some leftover pulp of the tomatoes. Do not waste it. All the pulp and juices can go into the mortar pestle. Give it a slight tangy flavor. That's it. So that's your dressing. Now what we're going to do is take the dressing, spread it on top of the tomatoes. So we're only using the liquid here. Now you'll be wondering, what are we going to do with all the leftover coriander stems and the chilies? We're quickly going to toss these with some microgreens. Now I would recommend cooling the carpaccio down for about 2 to 4 hours before you eat it. The tomatoes will lose a little bit of water. That's going to make the dish even more flavorful. Right? Now the rest of the dressing, just going to add it into a bowl so nothing goes to waste. All the juices and the leftover tomatoes also go into the bowl. A dash of soy, a little bit of the rice wine vinegar. Now any microgreens of your choice. We're using some pea shoots here. We also have some crunchy fresh arugula. We're just going to tear it with our hands. Toss it. And after about 2 to 4 hours, once you've cooled down the tomatoes and the carpaccio, you're just going to add the dressed salad onto the tomatoes. So that's it. That is some special from the Foodhall Cookery Studio. So that's it. This is your tomato carpaccio almost looks like a beautiful summer garden and tastes very refreshing. Do try this recipe at home and do share your feedback in our comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.